Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks and Adventures. First off, I've got to make a little announcement. So starting a week from this Sunday, 1 week from this Sunday, I'm going to start releasing my videos at about, I'm going to say 4 to 5, but let's call it 4 to 5 to 6 in that area. I mean, sometimes I'm not quite prepared yet whenever it comes around to that time. So I'm going to say between 4 and 6 o'clock, I'm going to start releasing videos on Sundays only. I'm going to just switch away from Fridays because I've just had too much stuff come up in the way on Fridays. So coming up, my wife and I are going on a vacation. We're going to, I'll just wait and let the video tell you where we're going to, what we're headed to do for about a week. And so I will have some camping videos coming up. I know a lot of y'all aren't excited about that, but we're doing it, so I'm showing it. So that's just kind of where I'm at on that. So today I am going to do some CNC. We're going to do a little piece of home decor, a hummingbird. I am going to try to get fancier with the airbrushing on this particular one because, you know, hummingbirds are so colorful. So I don't know how great I'm going to be at that, but I'm going to give it a shot. So that's what we're going to do today, is a little piece of home decor. So let's go. that was it. So as you could tell, it was a bit of a fail. You saw that when I sanded, it really kind of screwed up the edges, and you can see the browning. So okay, so here's what's happened. Since I shot the video, I've went back and done some extra sanding. So the piece is salvageable. I'll just have to do a gang load of sanding over this to make this all a lighter white. Then maybe I can stain it a different color. So here's what happened, is in between all my color changes, I didn't get the cleaner cleaned out of the brush good enough, didn't get it all evacuated. And so when I started going around the black, you saw it was a little runny, and that was confusing me, so I added more paint. I messed with it for about 4 or 5 minutes, thought I had it to where it was blowing good paint, went ahead and ran around it, and you saw that this is kind of what it did to the outer rim. And what that is that cleaner that's in there, it ate away that outer layer of wood on this. And so when I started to sand, it just immediately went to that darker layer. So what I've done up here is I've gone around and I've sanded, and I sanded right here around the beak just to see if I could make this come out and see if this would be worth even trying to salvage. So I'll probably give it a whirl, and I don't know, I may run it through the planer. We'll see. So since I said that, I got up and ran it through the planer, and this thing came out awesome. I really had to just inch the planer up just ever so slightly each time to make sure I didn't take too much. But that was the solution to the problem right there. I think this came out awesome. I don't know what I'd change about it. You saw me take some airbrushing in there with white and some other colors and just trying to highlight some of the paint. Not that great at it. Like I said, it's my first try trying to be that fancy with the airbrush. So as I said before, remember, a week from Sunday, I'll be releasing the next video, and from then on, I'm going to try to do them on Sunday afternoons and just letting them go at a different time. There's methods to my madness. Part of it is I always tend to end up being busy on Friday and I'm just in a hustle all day. The other reason is Sunday is the most viewed time of the week on YouTube. So I'd like for my stuff to get out there to more people. So guys, that's going to be it for today. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.